Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate you how to determine the value of Young's modulus of rigidity and Poisson ratio of the material of a given wire by Searle's dynamical method. In order to perform this experiment, we require a Searle's apparatus with a stand as shown in the video, screw gauge, vernier clipper, non-extensible fine thread, digital stopwatch, wire of material whose Young's modulus and modulus of rigidity we have to calculate, measuring tape of 3 meter. Now in order to perform, first we calculate the radius of this wire with the help of screw gauge. After that we calculate the length and breadth of this square cross section rod with the help of vernier caliper. Now we calculate the length between these two rods with the help of this measuring tape. Now we calculate the value of time period T1 and T2 for this type oscillation and this type oscillation with the help of digital stopwatch. After calculating the value of time period T1 and T2, we calculate the value of Young's modulus of the material of the wire by using the formula Y is equal 8 pi I L divided by T1 square R4. Here I is the moment of inertia of the rod, which is equal to m into में a square plus b square divided by 12. Here m is the mass of the rod, a is the breadth of the rod, b is the length of the rod. Also L is the length of the wire between these two rods. T1 is the time period for this type oscillations and R is the radius of the wire. Also we calculate the value of modulus of rigidity of the wire by using the formula 8 pi I L divided by T2 square R4. Here T2 is the time period for this type oscillations, and we can calculate the value of Poisson ratio by using the formula T2 square divided by 2 T1 square minus 1. Thank you.